Okay, so the learning target that we've covered in this unit is solving quadratic equations, and one of those is another way of saying that is finding the zeros of the function. So the idea is if we drop in a value of 0 for y, what values make this equal 0? So we're looking for what plus 3 makes this 0, and the error here is the signs are wrong. We should understand if we do 3 plus 3, we're going to get 6. 6 is not 0. That doesn't make this equation true. We need a negative 3. And likewise, negative 2 minus 2 would be negative 4. The x value that makes this 0 is not negative 2. It's positive 2. So that's the mistake there. Negative 3 for the first factor, 2 for the second factor. We know for the most part, the graph of this, I don't know a lot about the graph for sure, but I know that this value here is going to be negative 3, 0. And I know that this value here, the other intercept, is going to be 2, 0. Okay, and over here, what's the mistake? Well, this part's good. The negative 4 is right. The 9, the mistake that the student would make in this thinking is if I put 9 in there, all right, 9 squared minus 9, what is that? Oh, 81 minus 9, it is not 0. So since it isn't 0, that's not a 0 of the function. Again, we're dropping in 0 for y. What makes each part 0? Negative 4 plus 4, that's good. That's 0. That's what we want. Well, this part actually factors more. It's a perfect square. The complete factorization of the problem should have been x plus 4. They had that part right. Now, what multiplies to be negative 9 and adds up to be 0? Well, because we don't have an x term. So the answer is x minus 3 and x plus 3. If we fold this back out, we'd have x squared. We'd have plus 3x. We'd have minus 3x. And we'd have minus 9. Well, 3x minus 3 is 0. There's no x term in the middle. So the final correct answer should have been the negative 4. That was good. A positive 3 and a negative 3. So those are some common mistakes when solving by factoring or finding zeros of a quadratic equation. Please use this and continue to study for the upcoming test.